Today I'm going to show you how to paint sparrows in a Chinese brush painting style. I hope you enjoy it. These are the materials we need: brushes, ink, and a special Chinese rice paper. I will be using these 3 brushes for this painting. 2 thick brushes to do the main body of the sparrow and a thin brush for the details. And only 1 color umber we need with some black ink. Okay, let's start. I'm mixing umber with water to make a light umber color. Tiny black in the tip of the brush and mix it so that the main umber color goes into the thicker part of the brush and dark shade is just on the tip of the brush. We first paint the head of the sparrow, 2 strokes for the body, and 2 strokes for the wings. Then use a little bit of dark ink in the tip of the brush to highlight the feather. And the tail. And some light ink from the thick part of the brush for the belly and the neck. I now use a thinner brush for the details. Here's the beak and eyes. And the spots on the neck. And some patterns on the body and the wings. And finally, the feet. So here we change the position of the sparrow. Again, we start with the head, 2 strokes for the body, 2 strokes for the wings, feather, the tail, and the light ink for the belly, the beak, spot, and 2 little feet. Again, another position, head, wings from the side, another wing, and feather, the side of the wing, and the tail, big belly, the little feet, the beak, eyes, and the spots on the neck, some spots on the body. Again, 1 more position. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this inspires you to have a go at Chinese brush painting. I intend to make a number of these videos, so please like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss these videos in the future. Also, if you have any suggestions of what techniques or designs you would like me to demonstrate in these videos, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.